The Misconceptions About Nuclear Energy by Andrew Mikulski. Nuclear engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with understanding and controlling nuclear energy and by reactions like fission and fusion. A nuclear power plant produces energy by using heat from controlled nuclear fission. This creates steam that power turbines, which, when spun, generate electricity. The misconceptions about nuclear energy. Many people believe that radiation from nuclear facilities is dangerous. However, when in fact, many people get more radiation from the sun than they would a regular running nuclear power plant. The stigma behind the nuclear energy and nuclear power plants stems from many natural disasters, such as Fukushima and Chernobyl. The Chernobyl incident was caused from lack of proper training, however. This was not when the reactor was running smoothly. The workers were not properly trained and resulted in the destruction of the whole reactor. The workers shut down the reactor's power regulating system and its emergency safety systems. They essentially turned off the thing that prevents the reactor from exploding. This was done because they were not properly trained and the management wanted the reactor to run when it needed to rest. Today's truth. All previous nuclear disasters were either from operator error or coincidental set of events. In today's world, nuclear technology has come a long ways in means of safety. Martin explains how new technologies such as small modular reactors and modern molten salt reactors are designed to shut down automatically in emergencies. This would make a reactor meltdown impossible to happen. So never another Chernobyl or Fukushima would ever happen with the technology that we have today. However, the stigma around the disasters still prevents many countries from adapting to the nuclear energy efficiently. Why this research is important. It is important to be talking about this because the nuclear energy is vital to remove the stigma behind it. Every study shows that a properly running nuclear power plant is the safest and most efficient way of producing energy. Proving that nuclear energy is not dangerous is vital for the progression of humanity and for the safety of our planet. We're excited.